Swan's attempting to catch some shrimp from Darren. He's gonna throw it.
Oh my gosh, you animal! Jason was right there when we did with ice, huh?
This is the third shot.
3 for 3. Hold on, it's still in my mouth.
Sorry,
Crap.
that one didn't count. He interrupted me.
Done chewing?
Oh, chew it like a dog.
Sorry.
You sure? I need it over here. Over here.
Ready? We did eyes, dude. We did eyes. We were like, boom. Ice cream paint job.
Is Peyton your favorite character?
Any words, Lena?
IQ drop is.
Swan's a dog.
I don't know from Shadow.
Take notes.
Me, Shadow's gonna learn from you.
Alright, so one more. This one's a good one.
ESPN top 10 plays right here. Do it.
I'm sorry.
I ain't Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, okay?
You never heard of basketball player?
He said it weird.
Oh!
Oh, fail! Epic fail! Oh, Jason, you knocked
cut
out
off.
the power. I'll edit that.
That's in the bonus reel. That's in the bonus reel.
Okay, so ESPN top 10 plays right here.
Number 10.
Go get it!
Where is it?
Now I need more food.
Take a chair right there.
I need to.
Nobody saw nothing. It's right there. Huh? I need shrimp.
Stop playing with your food.
Darren, you need to learn how to throw.
We don't get cooked
Lena,
out.
Lena. Ready? Okay, I'm trying. Ready?
Whatever. Ew.
Fun! Why don't you pick it up? Why do you want to get sushi if you don't like it?
I try to like it.
You guys are prepared for it.
I think the worst one
Napkins out for free.
You just spit it out.
Ask them, dude. Punctuate the bottom of that.
Come on, Jason, gotta take a picture.
Why don't you like sushi?
I hate pain.
One that class got
Yum.
Yum.
Jimmy,
Oh, that's the nastiest grain of rice I've ever had.
say it.
No.
You want to sit next to your best friend?
Oh, God.
Ready?
It's a tip some metal music.
Sorry. One more.
Cops.
Cops!
Let's rent deep in the game. Why not?
Get a movie your mom watched. Have you seen Tom McGuire and Jake Gyllenhaal? I know, doesn't it?
Watch it, dude.
Look at Grant concentrating on his text messaging.
What?
Brothers?
Oh, the one with Jake Gyllenhaal and Tobey Maguire
Spider-Man.
And Natalie
and
Portman.
Natalie Portman.
It's a good movie.
It's sad. Because my friend was in the OTC and I watched it with him. And he was trying to act like it.
no, I wanna watch
It's
it.
so good.
I wanna watch it.
Let's rent it today.
Have you seen
It's hard from this distance.
I
Ready?
Am Eli? Is that what it is?
Oh my god!
The blind guy.
What you thinking that?
That was a really bad
Just
toss
kind of.
though.
This is
right
blind.
at him.
Wow.
What was that? 3 tries? 4 tries? 3
Have
tries.
you seen
Why
Sherlock
don't you
Holmes?
just throw it?
No, you gotta flick it.
Watch like
I want to see Sherlock Holmes.
Huh?
I want to see
Homie.
Sherlock Holmes.
Let's rent it tonight. It's a good
wanna
movie.
watch it.
It's so good.
It's not even out, is it?
It is.
Yes, it's been out for a couple of days
Like
now.
deep in the game.
Look at these nerds. Naruto. I'm a nerd.
We're all nerds.
No, I like it. I can watch my show. Label me a nerd.
106, where they're trying to install the code.
It was the biggest. He hated Naruto.
He made fun of us watching Naruto. He's trying to make fun of him.
And now he's like, sorry.
I missed it!
Straight up the spray everywhere.
Why are you doing that?
Because your face is so intense.
I was like,
And I was like right here. I was like watching you. I'm sorry.
Hey,
Hit him, not me.
like the side of my face, and then
Oh man.
right when I turned to look too.
My bad.